connect Discord account to PayPal. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to connect your Discord account to PayPal. So for that, just simply open your Discord account, and after that just simply click on the profile section from the bottom right corner of your mobile screen, and from there just simply locate the settings option from the top right corner, and over here under the account settings option you will be able to see the option called connections. Just simply tap on it. And now just simply click on add from the top right corner, and over here the first option that you will see, it says PayPal. Since you want to connect your PayPal account with Discord account, just simply tap on it, and it will redirect you to the page where you have to enter your PayPal account details in order to log in into your PayPal account first. So just simply enter your password and your login details, and just simply log in into your PayPal account. And once you have successfully logged in into your PayPal account, you will be able to see the option called continue in order to connect your Discord account and PayPal account quite easily. You just simply have to click on the continue section from there, and your Discord account will be successfully connected with your PayPal account. Yeah, this is how simple it is. So this is basically how simple it is to connect your Discord account with PayPal. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.